Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our garment restoration services and find it useful.
Sudsies Dry Cleaners offers an unparalleled garment restoration service, leveraging nearly 3 decades of expertise to bring your treasured clothing back to life. South Florida's climate and weather can present challenges to your wardrobe, and Sudsies is here to help restore the luster and beauty of your wardrobe. Whether it's smoke, water, or mold damage, our skilled artisans meticulously restore each piece to its original glory. We don't just stop at the restoration. Our team provides expert assessments, detailed paperwork, receipts, and high-quality photos, ensuring your insurance claims process is seamless and stress-free. Trust Sudsies to not only restore your garments, but also simplify your insurance journey, backed by our proven track record in handling complex claims. The process ensures that each garment receives the care and attention it needs to be revitalized and look as good as new. 1. Garment reception. Garments are received either at one of Sudsies' boutiques or through their free pickup service by a garment care valet. 2. Initial inspection. Once received, the garments are inspected to identify any problem areas. Based on this inspection, a tailored plan for the restoration process is.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.